For this question, we need to calculate the power associated with each element and specify if the element receives or supplies power. The formula for calculating the power remains the same. It is always voltage multiplied by current. So let's start calculating. The power for element A is voltage times current, taking the voltage as 10 volts, and the current, because it enters the element at the negative terminal, is going to be negative 3 times 10 to negative 3 amps. This gives us a power of negative 3 times 10 to negative 2 watt. The entrance of the current at the negative terminal indicates that the power is being supplied by the element. For the next element, B, we do the same calculation, but this time we keep an eye on the values. Voltage is 5, and the current is 6 times 10 to negative 3. And because the current enters the element at the positive terminal, we keep the current with a positive sign. This gives us again 3 times 10 to negative 2 watt, and the current arriving at the positive terminal and leaving at the negative indicates that the power is being received. For element C, we repeat the approach. The voltage being 6 volt and the current 5 times 10 to negative 3 amps, where the current enters the element at the positive terminal, which means we are taking it with a positive sign, so 3 times 10 to negative 2. Again, the power, just like in case B, is being received by the element. For element D, the voltage is 15, the current is 2 times 10 to negative 3. But because the current enters the element at the negative terminal, we take it with a negative sign in the calculation, which gives us a negative power of 3 times 10 to negative 2 watt. The negative sign indicates that the power is being supplied by the element.